Today we're reviewing the Joyroad Winter RX826, a dedicated winter tire engineered to provide confident performance, grip, and safety in cold conditions, snow and slush. This tire features an aggressive tread pattern with a high density of sipes, deep grooves, and biting edges that work together to enhance traction on snow-covered roads, improve braking on ice, and effectively evacuate slush and water. The specialized winter rubber compound is formulated to remain flexible at low temperatures, allowing the tire to conform to the road surface and maintain grip when conditions get slippery. Drivers often praise the Winter RX826 for its reliable handling and stable braking in winter conditions. Many vehicle owners note that the tire feels reassuring on snow-packed roads and delivers consistent performance in rain, cold, and changing temperatures. Feedback frequently highlights that this model instills confidence behind the wheel, whether you're commuting in winter weather or heading out on a longer cold season trip. Here's a useful insight. The Winter RX826's tread design includes multi-directional biting edges that increase mechanical grip on icy surfaces. This means the tire can latch onto tiny irregularities in the road, helping to shorten braking distances and improve control during acceleration and cornering. It's a thoughtful detail that enhances safety where it matters most. In summary, the Joyroad Winter RX826 is a well-balanced winter tire that delivers dependable traction, stable handling, and peace of mind in a variety of cold weather conditions. If you've used these tires on your vehicle, drop a comment below and share your experience.